Today I will show you how useful movies can be when you are learning a language.
Cosa prende?
First, we need materials in Italian, YouTube videos, Netflix series, movies, podcasts, news, and more. In the first phase, we'll watch the videos without subtitles in a relaxed manner. We might not understand everything at first, but at least we'll get the general meaning.
Un bicchiere di vino rosso, grazie.
Then we'll activate the subtitles and watch the video again, as many times as we want.
Cosa prende?
2 bicchieri di vino rosso, per favore. E anche una penna per scrivere.
Now it's much clearer, isn't it? In the second phase, we'll focus on comprehension, trying to understand the text as much as we can. We can look up the translation of words we don't know, study grammatical forms, and ask a teacher for help. In the next phase, we'll write down the new words in our study notebook or on flashcards. In phase number 4, we'll improve our knowledge, basically doing some grammar exercises and writing down sentences using the new words. The last phase involves repeating the content of the video or audio out loud.
2 bicchieri di vino rosso. E anche una penna per scrivere.
One last question. What's the movie that appears in this video? That's all for today.